Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick PSA on how to pre-order your iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, whatever you want to get. So first thing to do, head to apple.com, then click on iPhone. Now I'm going to teach you guys, this method is what I use every single year to get my iPhone, and it has worked on launch day perfectly. So just follow these instructions and you should be good. Once you're on the iPhone page, hit get started up here. It says save time at pre-order. Basically what we're doing today is pre-ordering, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna go through here, pick whichever one you want. So I want the 17 Pro, so I'm gonna hit get ready. Then I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna choose the device I want. So I'm gonna go 17 Pro, I'm gonna go Cosmic Orange, I'm gonna go 256, and I'm gonna do no trade-in, and I'm just gonna buy it straight up. And I'm gonna put mine on Verizon, but if you need it completely unlocked, just choose connect to any carrier, and that will be an unlocked phone. However, if you're already on a plan like Verizon, AT&T, Boost Mobile, or T-Mobile, just go ahead and choose that at this stage because it's going to preload your phone number in there. So you don't really have to do anything on pre-order day. So it's gonna get all that ready for you. So if you just want it unlocked, click this one. But if you already have a plan and you want it to be pre-set up with that eSIM, just choose whichever one of these you have. Then scroll down, choose Apple Care if you want it, but I never do, and then hit get ready for pre-order. Now at this point, you can go through the accessories if you want. Me personally, I never do this, so I just kind of hit continue. Then you can choose your payment details, and at this point, it's going to ask you to sign in. When you sign in here, if you do this on your phone or on the computer like I'm doing here, when you do that, it's going to ask you to preload a credit card. Me personally, I use Apple Pay, so I get, extra % back and everything, but you can use whatever you want, but Apple Pay, if you have access to it, it is very seamless. But of course you can use any credit card, but Apple Pay is the quickest and easiest way to go. And trust me, when you're doing this in the morning and you're tired, you want it to just go smoothly. So again, Apple Pay, get that set up beforehand. Then down here, starting at 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, so 8 a.m. if you're on the East Coast like I am, just get ready, and all you'll do is visit apple.com, go to your bag or account to place your order. So it's already gonna be waiting there. All you have to do is like a couple steps, like literally just click on it, confirm your payment, and that's it. So you don't have to go through all these selections like we just did here. So it gets you through the pre-order much quicker. Now there is an iPhone app. You can use the Apple Store, not the App Store, the Apple Store app on your phone and do these exact same steps. And that's actually how I do it every year. I do it on my phone, but I'm showing you guys how to do it on a computer because it really doesn't matter. You can do it either way. Also, I do recommend having both available in the morning. If you're someone that really has to have this iPhone right away, you need to have this pulled up on your MacBook or computer right here, and you also need to have it pulled up on your phone. That way, if one of them goes through and one of them doesn't, if one of them has an error, you can easily switch to the other. But just to wrap up, I always do this on the Apple Store app on my iPhone. I go through these exact same steps, so you can do this as well. Make sure you're signed in, make sure you preload your shipping address and your Apple Pay or credit card information, and then you're good to go. So follow these steps. Let me know which iPhone you guys are getting, and if you're excited. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.